together and not. And there's a fine, fine line between what you wanted and what you got. You gotta go after the things you want while you're still in your prime. There's a fine, fine line between love and a waste of time.
If you were gay, that'd be okay. I mean, cause hey, I like you anyway. Because you see, if it were me, I would feel free to say that I was gay, but I'm not gay.
Nikki, please. I am trying to read. What?
If you were queer,
Nikki,
I'd still be here.
try to read this book.
Year after year, because you're dear to me, and I know that you
What?
would accept me too.
I would.
If I told you today, hey, guess what? I'm gay, but I'm not gay.